What's up, everybody? Last break for tonight, unfortunately, although I've got more boxes to open for you guys, but I don't want to overwhelm myself or you. I know there's only so much of this Southern twine y'all can take, so I'm going to stop here. First box of this was pretty good. If you haven't watched that video, check it out. I hit a majorly good autograph in that box, but my jersey cards were just okay. Either way, there's only 12 packs, so it's not a lengthy break, so I would ask you to watch that video. I did pull two Doncic Luka rookies, two different versions, nothing, no parallel, but one was the little base version and the other was, I think, courtside version. So that was good. I'll go ahead and tell you that. So, because I'm hoping to get at least one more of his rookies out of this box. I'd love to pull a parallel version, but that's probably pretty tough. Sabonis, Kuzma, Marcus Smart, a Kyle Lowry die cut parallel purple to 99. And Elfrid Payton. Rudy Gay, Robert Williams, the third rookie, Zach Collins, Kent Bazemore blue die cut to 249. Oh, there he is. Well, that's taken care of. Yay. So anything else of his in here is just a really nice bonus. Kate Gilchrist, Brunson rookie, Terry Rozier, tricolor, Gasol, silver, Harry Giles, Okogie, rookie, Mo Bamba, Fournier, tricolor, Wendell Carter Jr., phenom, and Aaron Holiday, rookie. Antetokounmpo, we got something in here, something thick. Mirotic, Jerome Robinson rookie. It is Omri Caspi to 99. Purple parallel and purple jersey. So that is hit number 1. Another Kuzma. Pulled a couple of Kuzmas out of the first box. Van Vliet, Iguodala, Embiid, Josh Hart tricolor, and Tyreke Evans. This is a really thick pack. I think I'll sit on that one. That might be some kind of patch, maybe, if I'm lucky. Harden, Grayson Allen rookie, Divincenzo rookie, Levert, I guess, Karis Levert silver, Ben Simmons. Well, this one's thick too, but maybe a filler. Nope, it's actually a hit, huh? Oh, but look who's on the front. That's the second extra. So that's 4 Luka rookies and 2 boxes. Sweet. We're going to go ahead and roll with this. I already got it open in my hand. Vince Carter, Bridges. It is Drew Holiday. And there's another Grayson Allen. Just a plain little white swatch. Select swatches. Not numbered. So we're looking for an autograph. And we're down to the last few packs. There's LeBron. Morris rookie. Maria silver, Millsap blue to 299, and Isaiah Thomas. This is a thicker pack too. That's just a filler. Westbrook, Wagner rookie, Alexander, Jaren Jackson Jr. rookie parallel. That's nice. And LeBron, 2 LeBrons. 2 LeBrons and 2 packs remaining. Give me a good autograph again. That'd be sweet. Simmons rookie, Whiteside healed. Paul Millsap parallel to 199. Divincino rookie again. Alright, well I guess I was right. This is going to be the autograph pack unless I get screwed. No, there's a thick patch in there. Anthony Simmons, Barea, Bridges rookie, George, and Kevin Knox to 25. Look at that. That is the tie-dye parallel autograph to 25. I'm surprised the jersey piece is so teeny tiny. If you're gonna give, you know, such a great card, that's kind of weird, but I'm not gonna bitch too much. It's still a nice card. Super short print, super thick stock. It's okay. The autograph in my first box is better though. Okay, that was it. That's fun. I love Select. I love Select football, basketball, Select anything. I'll even open Select not hockey. Yeah, I would open Select hockey. I did open Select soccer. That's what I was trying to say. I was going to say I would, but I actually did. Alright, that's it. Thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment below. Let me know how you're making out with your Select. Hopefully you're doing well. This is usually pretty good stuff. Panini usually does a pretty good job with Select, so hopefully you're getting some goodies. Everybody take care. I'll be back with my next break very, very soon.